This is our solar simulator equipped with 4-line measurement technology with a 14-bit 4-channel high-speed synchronous acquisition card capturing 8,000 data points for unparalleled accuracy. Experience the power of precision with our 0 to 16 millisecond adjustable flash impulse and customize up to 100 milliseconds for your specific needs. Automatic irradiance and temperature compensation ensure that your testing is always accurate regardless of environmental changes. Display up to 10 parameters in both tabular and graphical formats for clear and comprehensive results. Voice counter-off and prompts for flash timing, making your operation smooth and efficient. If you are interested in our products, just contact with us.